Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will come right after this general reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have 5 of cups, star in reverse, and queen of wands. So Sagittarius, in your situation, guys, today you are someone who is really dedicated, devoted. So whatever your choices are in your work or in your personal life, you stand by those choices, you make efforts, great efforts, and that is the reason for things going in the right way for you, and you may be tasting success, and you are really friendly, and you will feel loved and honored for your dedication and for your efforts today in your work or in your personal life, guys. And maybe your dedication or the way of working, it may look like you are trying to use your power or authority. Maybe you are in an important position in life, in your work. You may be a team leader or someone holding lot of responsibilities and burdens, and people may see your behavior as arrogance. They may mistake this for arrogance, but in truth you want to do things in the right way in order to succeed, guys, in order to succeed in work or in your personal life, success in your personal life. So you have a particular way of handling your situation, but people in your life, they may see it as arrogance, and they may see you as an arrogant, controlling, or a bossy person who has their way in everything. But you are trying to do the best in your life. That is what you are doing. But others may see it as a dominating attitude, guys. So that may be the reason for some troubles in your situation. And Sagittarius, I also see that you are brooding over something. Maybe it may be some mistakes you did or something you lost in your life today. It may be some financial loss that you would have faced in your work, or it may be a person you are missing today, or it may be a circumstance. So you are worried, crying maybe for some of you, crying for all that you have lost, and you are missing them, maybe missing this person, missing your past person, or missing that love. So you are brooding over the past, and you are regretting whatever has happened in this relationship between you both, and you just wish that you have the power to change the things that have happened in your life, guys, Sagittarius. But Sagittarius, you need to understand that past is past, and simply crying over the past is not going to help you today. You need to understand that there are much better things waiting for you, waiting to unfold in your life, but you are not aware of it because you are still crying, still brooding over the things of your past, guys, Sagittarius. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that if you move on towards the future and let go of your past hurt, you are going to see greater success, harmony, and peace of mind in your situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, for your general reading. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards. This is your first card, and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned, and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for y'all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you are cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.